Many applications of probability and statistics are concerned with the repetition of an experiment. We call each repetition a trial. And the cases that we are interested in are cases in which you have two possible outcomes. Testing the effectiveness of a drug, effective or not effective. The score of a basketball game, win or lose. Test for soda, Pepsi or Coke. To analyze repeated trials with two possible outcomes, we are going to use our knowledge of factorials, binomial coefficients, Bernoulli trials, and binomial distributions. We begin with factorials, and the factorial of a counting number is obtained by successively multiplying it by the next smaller counting number until you reach 1. For example, 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 24. Similarly, 5 factorial will be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 120. Notice that 3 factorial is the same as 3 times 2 factorial. 4 factorial is the same as 4 times 3 factorial. 5 factorial is the same as 5 times 4 factorials. Therefore, by induction, we realize that if j is less than or equal to k, k factorial is k times k minus 1 times k minus j plus 1 times k minus j factorial. If n is a positive integer and x is a non-negative integer less than or equal to n, the binomial coefficient is defined as the combination out of n choose x, which is equal to factorial n divided by x factorial times n minus x factorial. Out of 6, choose 1. The binomial coefficient will be factorial 6 divided by factorial 1 times 6 minus 1 factorial. Out of 6, choose 1 will give you just 6 choices. We just have to prove it. So it's going to be factorial 6 factorial divided by 5 factorial, which is 6 times 5 factorial over 5 factorial. 5 factorials cancel, and out of 6, choose 1 is 6. The binomial coefficient for out of 5, choose 3. Order is not important, is 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 5 minus 3 factorial. Out of 5, choose 3. 5 factorial, 3 factorial, and 5 minus 3, 2 factorial. 5 times 4 times 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial, and 2 factorial is just 2 times 1, so 2 factorial is just 2. So 5 times 4 divided by 2, will be 2, so it's 5 times 2, which is 10. Out of 7, choose 3. The binomial coefficient will be, out of 7, choose 3, 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 7 minus 3 factorial. So 7 factorial will be divided by 3 factorial times 7 minus 3, which is 4. 4 factorial. 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 4 factorial. And 4 factorial cancel out. We are left with 7 times 6 times 5 divided by 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. And 6 out of 6 is 1. 7 times 5 will be 35. Choose 3 out of 7. Order doesn't matter. The answer is 35, the binomial coefficient. Choose 4 out of 4. Choose 4 out of 4. Order doesn't matter. It'll be 4 factorial over 4 factorial times 4 minus 4 factorial. Therefore, the answer will be 4 factorial over 4 factorial. 4 minus 4 is 0, and 0 factorial is 1. So the answer is 1, 4 factorial over 4 factorial.